Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain how you can solve the problem of video freezing when editing on iMovie. So I will import one video from my GoPro and it is in 4K resolution, 4K 30 frames per second. And once I add it into my timeline, the video is freezing. So if I play anywhere, you can see the video is freezing. And so all you need to do is you go back to the video. Here, this is the previous video. It's on MP4 format. You right click on it, go scroll down and encode selected video file, click on that, and in here you choose the 4K, this one up to 3840 by 2160. Click continue. These two files are created on the same name, and after a few minutes, once the new file is created of .MOV, this one will be gone. So it will take some time. So to save some time, I have already edited and converted the video file. So you will notice that with this change of format, the current original video from GoPro was 2 GB and the resolution was 3840 times 2160, and the original duration was 2 minutes 50 seconds. Now the video that is edited afterwards, you see the size is only 562.9 MB and the resolution is same, 3840 by 2160. That's the previous 3440 by 2160. It's after edit, exact same resolution. It will reduce the video size and it will be good for editing as well, because there will not be any lagging. So and then after edit, so that's the video added. I will add it to my timeline. So that's the after edit. After edit, you can see there is no lagging at all. It's all nice and smooth, and it is 4K resolution. If you see before edit, that's before edit, and this is edited one. So let's wait for the transition. See, that's the video which was edited, and there is no lagging or nothing is freezing. It's very easy to edit from now. So all you can do is just change the format, and feel free to delete the original one because it takes more space on your hard drive. As you can see, before it was 2 GB and now it is only 500 MB with the same resolution. So the quality is not compensated at all. Hope this video helped. Thank you. Bye.